came to sadness, you are seeing nothing around you. So I want to
Yeah.
always behind me in my tough
Mhm.
time when
Yeah.
you can say lost my parents.
All right. So the topic of today was about friends, important friends. Do you have now? So we're going to talk about now and when you were younger as well. But now, do you have like a best friend? Do you think it's important to have a best friend?
Uh, yes, ma'am. You can say the best friend that helped me in my difficult situation, and
Hmm.
who always behind me in my tough
Hmm.
time when
Yeah.
you can say lost my parents. So her
Yeah.
name is, yes, her name is Shikha, and
Yeah.
we you can say we met in college, that when
Okay.
I was doing my post graduation. So
Ah,
there
yes.
I met her. Yeah. So
Oh, wow.
yes,
And
ma'am.
so she's still your friend now?
Yes, ma'am. She's
Yeah.
not,
Oh, that's good.
yeah. So you can say, ma'am, friends are really like a family, and
Hmm.
it is that relation that we make,
Yeah.
because relatives, mother, father, brother, sisters, all
Hmm.
you can say are the God gift, or you can say natural. But it is that relation that we make. We know that
Yeah.
this person is helping me or guiding me, or I like that person company. So I
Yeah.
think friends are very important.
And so your friend now, you were friends since college. Do you have a friend that you've had like your whole life?
Like my whole life. Okay.
Yeah, like are you still
That,
friends with someone you knew when you were little?
actually, if I talk about my the childhood friend, so in
Mm-hmm.
the childhood, we didn't give any importance, or do not give any
Mm-hmm.
importance to friendship, because we are also a child. So we just make fun and like that. But
Yeah.
you can say when we came in 10th or 12th standard,
Uh-huh.
so in that time, or
Uh-huh.
in that stage, we realize the importance of friendship. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yes, ma'am. So this kind of thing. So in the whole life, if I want to
Uh-huh.
say that who is my best friend and who is always supporting me and who is the well wisher of me, and
Mm-hmm.
that is a one name that I mention here, her name, and nothing else. Yes,
Yeah. Ah, that's good. That's good. That's really good. And do
because
you
ma'am,
think,
yes, I want to say
yeah,
something.
yeah,
You met friends both kinds. That
okay,
help. That is your first well wisher, who always support you in every
uh-huh,
situation, whether it's good or bad. And
yeah,
second, there are also those friends who who supports you and who always with you in only in happiness. When it
it's
came
true.
to
You're right.
sadness, when it came to sadness, you are seeing nothing around you. So I want to
Yeah.
mention, because ma'am, if I you can say remind me or talk about my
Uh-huh.
college time. So
Yeah.
there were many friends of mine. Instead of only a one girl who supports me and guide me,
Yeah.
but what I can say about my other friends,
Hmm.
who when my time was very happy and good, so they are with
Yeah.
me. But you can say when my time is difficult, so that they are not with me. So I think
Hmm.
that one friend is enough if he or she is, you can say, is helping you and with you
Yeah.
in every situation. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. No, I
Yes, ma'am.
agree. I agree. There are people who are friends, yeah, like you say, when you're happy, or also when it's convenient for them, they're your friends. And when it's not convenient, they disappear. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think you have to be careful with who you allow in your bubble, I guess. And I think it's maybe something we learn as we get older as well.
Yes,
That you have to kind of protect your own little bubble, and you can only let in people who deserve to be in your bubble. Yeah, it's
yes,
true.
ma'am.
So do you think in general then it's better to have one really close good friend than like a big circle of lots of different friends?
Yes, ma'am. I think it's good that you have only one good friend or
Mhm.
close friend instead of
Yeah.
having a lot of company who is not with
Mhm.
you, who is with
Yeah.
you, but not with you in the sense well wisher that they
Yeah.
are just, you can say bit biting behind you and saying
Yeah.
against you. I think a good friend is a one friend is a friend is enough, so we don't
Yeah.
need the company of yeah, you can say when we go to the party or somewhere celebration, so it's
Uh-huh.
it's normal that we call our friends and have a fun like us
Yeah.
moment. But I
Yeah.
think that everyone life there must be a person from by whom you can share your feelings and emotion
Yeah.
when you want that. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, of course. Yeah. I mean, yeah, I guess naturally in life we meet lots of people that may or may not consider as friends, or like they're people that we know.
Yes.
But running out of time. But thank you so much for calling me. And next
Yes,
time,
ma'am.
just let me know if there's something
We
specific you want
continue.
to talk about.
Ma'am, we continue. Yes, we continue this, or I come up with new topic.
Yeah,
So
you just
get
let me
ready for
know.
that.
All right. Okay. See you later. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Take care.